Imagine waking up to the gentle sway of the ocean, sipping your morning coffee as the sun rises over the horizon. No crowds, no noise, just you, the sea, and the ultimate luxury experience. Welcome to the world of private yachting, a lifestyle reserved for those who seek adventure, exclusivity, and unparalleled comfort. A private yacht isn't just a mode of travel, it's an escape from the ordinary. Whether anchored in the Caribbean, the Mediterranean, or the Maldives, every destination becomes your personal paradise. From thrilling water sports to five-star dining under the stars, life on a yacht offers the perfect balance of excitement and relaxation. What sets yacht life apart? Unmatched luxury and personalized service. With a dedicated crew catering to your every need, all you have to do is sit back and indulge in the experience. Every detail from the design to the amenities is crafted for comfort and sophistication. Unlike traditional vacations, a yacht gives you the freedom to explore on your terms. One day, you're snorkeling in a hidden cove. The next, you're docking at a glamorous harbor, stepping onto land for a night of fine dining and entertainment. But the journey doesn't end here. Yacht life is more than a single adventure. It's a lifestyle, a statement of freedom, and a world waiting to be explored. Where will your yacht take you? From the glamorous harbors of Monaco to the untouched paradise of the South Pacific, the world is your playground. Dock in style at the French Riviera, party under the stars in Ibiza, or escape to the serenity of the Seychelles. Every destination offers a new way to experience luxury. Modern superyachts aren't just beautiful, they are marvels of technology. With AI-driven navigation, eco-friendly designs, and cutting-edge entertainment systems, the future of yachting is here. With smart automation, private cinemas, and even underwater observation lounges, yachting has never been more sophisticated. From sunrise to sunset, life on a yacht is nothing short of extraordinary. Imagine waking up to the scent of fresh espresso, your private chef preparing a gourmet breakfast while the morning sun casts golden hues over the water. Your day is yours to design, whether it's a morning yoga session on deck, an afternoon of deep sea diving, or an evening of fine dining under the stars. Is yachting your dream? Whether you own a luxury vessel or prefer the flexibility of chartering, the experience is second to none. Owning a yacht gives you total control and status, while chartering offers variety and convenience. Both open the door to unparalleled luxury. Step into an elite world where luxury meets exclusivity. From the Monaco Yacht Show to the Cannes Film Festival, yachting connects you to the most prestigious social circles on the planet. Networking, celebration, and unmatched luxury. This is the social scene of yachting. Luxury meets sustainability. The new era of yachting is embracing eco-friendly innovations, from hybrid propulsion systems to zero-emission technologies. Ready to embark on your own private sailing adventure? Whether you're looking to rent, charter, or invest in a yacht, your dream lifestyle is within reach. Yacht Life. Your adventure begins now. Contact us to start your journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe.
No, seriously, what is this place?
This is heaven.